I'm not going to ask you for a prediction of the point of the market at the end of the year. You'll be pleased to know. But how do you see the future in your space? So in that slightly narrower market space, investable space for you, how does it look to you given everything that's going on? So given interest rates, inflation, where we are with politics, and the behavior of companies, where are we at? What's the pulse check for where we are at the moment in sustainable investing, and then what's the future look like?
I think we probably have been working in sustainable investment industry for nearly 15 years now, and I think we probably are one of the most exciting time actually, and that might surprise people here. And the reason for that, I think there's two key reasons. The first one is because actually, more than ever, sustainable investing makes sense because you are supporting companies where their core product and services are in high demand. And where it might be that some of the products are a bit less in favor and replaced by others, and we can talk about how maybe there's a bit less push towards climate transition, which means actually climate adaptation is more important than ever. We can discuss a bit that. But I think it's quite clear that where the society is going, we need those products and services that help tackle those many social and environmental challenges. But the reason why, and these tailwinds have been there for for 15, 20 years. But what I think is different now is that because the sentiment has been relatively negative for sustainable investing, the valuations are actually quite low. So just to give you an example, over the past 10 years, a company that managed well their social and environmental risk, usually were trading at a premium. So you were paying a bit more, about 10% more for a company like that than you would be paying for a company that didn't really take those risks seriously. That premium has raised. So what that means, kind of in layman terms, is that whether you invest in a company that care about minimizing those risks, social and environmental risk, or a company that doesn't, you pay the same price. So today, you've got a kind of a free insurance. So I don't know exactly when that risk will emerge, but clearly that risk will emerge at some point. So that's what gets us quite excited, is the market no longer putting a price on climate risk, no longer putting a price on, the future of those companies. And that is something we're super excited about. And we're trying to convey that message to clients and for them to go a bit beyond the kind of headlines.